new Digication, there are a few ways to publish your portfolio pages. Unlike Digication Classic, ePortfolios created in the new Digication automatically save your content. If we make changes to anything like this rich text module, we notice there's a green notification at the top of the screen informing us our changes have been saved. But even though our changes have been saved, we still want to make sure other people can see our content. To do this, we still have to publish our pages. To publish the current page you're viewing, click the blue Publish Changes button at the top of the screen. This button will always appear if the current page you're viewing has any unpublished changes. So just be aware if the yellow bar at the top of the screen appears with the notification your changes have not been published yet, then no one can see the current page. To publish your entire portfolio, click the Portfolio Actions menu at the top right of the page. Then click Publish Pages. You're then brought to a list where you can easily pick and choose which pages to publish. If the check mark to the left of any page title is green, that means it has been selected for publishing. Click any of those check marks to select or deselect pages to publish. Once you have chosen the desired pages, click the blue Publish button on the bottom right. So if this is your first time publishing any pages, you'll be brought to a Settings page, where you're given the opportunity to edit your portfolio's name or your portfolio's thumbnail or profile picture. You are also given the option to modify your portfolio's permissions. Clicking Edit beside Private to Me will allow you the option of choosing to make your portfolio viewable by all BHCC users. Or you can make it public, making it available to all non-Digication users. This option is useful if you would like your portfolio to be seen by a potential employer. Below this option, we have the ability to get very specific about who can see our ePortfolio. By clicking the Edit button beside the quote, "Also share with specific people, groups, or courses," you get to type in specific usernames or emails. So even if we selected Private to Me above, we can still share our portfolio with other users. We can even type in the name of a course we're currently enrolled in. To find out how to enroll in courses in Digication, watch our Create an ePortfolio tutorial. Okay, now that we've given users permission to view our portfolio, we notice we have the ability to give these users a unique role. If you want your instructor to see your work, leaving Faculty set to Viewer is sufficient. If you want to remove a particular user, like the students of a course, just click the small X to the right of the option. Now if you want other people to not just view your ePortfolio, but also edit and access settings, click the blue Viewer or Admin drop-down. The Viewer option allows users to view your ePortfolio. The Editor option allows other users the ability to edit but not publish your ePortfolio. Selecting Publisher grants editing and publishing capabilities, and finally, Admin gives other users the ability to edit, publish, and modify all settings. Once you've selected all your users and their access, click the blue Done button at the top right of your selections to close that drop-down. Okay, so below this, we can choose to require a password for someone to access your ePortfolio. Below that, we have the option to display the portfolio in the directory. Of course, only those with the appropriate permission level will be able to view this ePortfolio in that directory. We can also choose specific categories within the directory to display your portfolio by toggling the directory category switch and choosing which department should display it. Finally, click the Save Settings and Publish at the bottom of the page. Now, Those permission settings will only come up for your initial publish. You won't see it every single time you click the Publish button. Now let's say you want to go back and change your permissions or your portfolio name. From your portfolio, click the Portfolio Actions menu at the top right. Click the Settings option and you will be brought right back to that permission screen.